So what is data-driven testing? Suppose we want to execute a test with multiple set of data, right? So Postman, provides that facility. Like, you can actually consume data from external files. So similarly, you might have ever, like in Selenium test or STCO test, we connect to Excel file or XML, JSON, external files, right? So similar way, from Postman also we can actually use external data files. Like it supports CSV as well as JSON format. So I'll show you that. I just created one dummy, again a dummy post, okay, post request, and I have added four in the body JSON parameters. I have added four fields here, like ID, name, address, and phone number. Okay, so you have to give the same variable syntax here, and these variables will be populated runtime. Okay, when you actually execute this particular request using Postman. So if I go to Postman and run collection, right? So you might have remember, like, I was telling you about this data, and I was telling you about data variable also. So this is what it is. Okay, so you can select the file. Okay, so suppose I have created two files basically here. So this is the user file I have created. Okay, so I have given, this is JSON format. So I have given an array of JSON with the data, right? ID, name, address, and phone number. I have added the data which I want to populate. Okay, and once I created that file using Postman, you can actually import that file and you can preview it. You see here, but remember, like your variable names, right? Whatever names we have given, that should be same as whatever we have given in the file. Otherwise, it will not be able to map. Okay, so if you see here, whatever name I have given, ID, name, address, and phone, right? So that has to be mapped properly in your file. So once you select that file, right? So it will automatically update the count, iterations count. Okay, since the file has 3 records, right? So it has taken iterations as 3. That's all. Like, if I run this file, yeah, this will have, this is throwing error because I have not, this is a dummy this thing, but you can see in Postman, like what is the value it is actually taking in the body. If you see here, first request is taking that first record from the file. Second request is taking the second record. Third request is actually taking the third record. So this is pretty simple actually. Suppose now I want to run new, and I am selecting this file user.csv. Okay, let me show you that file as well. So this is the CSV file. Again, your column name, column headers should be same as you are adding in your parameter, and then you can add multiple records here. Now I'll add another record. So for example, save it. So if I copy that and select that file, so this time it is showing 4 because I have added one additional record. Okay, and then I run it. It should execute for 4 times basically. Okay, so 4 new requests you can see here, right? and you can see the same data in the request body, right? Last one should have the ID 4. So this is one way of doing data-driven testing. Okay, using Postman, you can use data files. You can create your own test data, and you can run it multiple times. It will take actually automatically. Once you give the file iteration count, it will take from that file itself. Like how many records are there in the file, it will take as many iteration. It will automatically populate and it will run that many times.